Hi everyone, I am here with you with my tutorial 4 which is on how to solve second layer of 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. But before that, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button to get the notifications for the next videos. So without any delay, let's get started. In my tutorial 3, I have shown you that how to arrange first layer properly. Now you have to remember that after completing first layer, keep in mind that you have to align your edge pieces with center properly. Now if you look closely, then you can see if I insert only 4 edge pieces, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, then the second layer will be totally solved. You have to also remember that the no yellow edge piece will come in the second layer, because the yellow edge piece will be on the top layer. So now we have to look for the edge pieces. I can see an edge piece containing color blue and orange. In this case, you have to match this orange color with its center. Now this is blue and orange wants to go this side, that means right side. In this case, you have to move your top layer on the left side. Now up the right layer and once again back the upper layer in its position. Now as I up this layer, down this layer, you will get a pair. Now pair of edge piece and corner piece. Now take the cube, move and face the white in front of you. Now see this pair, the color of this side is orange and this orange side wants to match with this side. So take a move like this and up this layer and back this one and down this one. Your edge piece will be inserted properly. Now I will look for the next one. The next edge piece is green and orange. I will match the orange color with its center. Okay, so this edge piece wants to go this side, so I will take, and this edge piece wants to go left side, so I will move upper layer on the right side, and as the edge piece wants to go this side, I will up the layer and once again I will bring this edge piece in its previous position. Now as I up this layer, I will down this once again, and I told you earlier that I will take a move and I will face white in front of me. Now you can see this orange piece wants to match with this side, so I will move this layer this way and I will up this layer this way, and this orange piece wants to match this side, so I will back this one and I will down this one. This piece is arranged. So I have already inserted 2 edge pieces, this one and this one. So third one is here. See, the color is blue and red. I will match with red center with red edge piece this way. Now I can see this edge piece wants to go left side, so I will move this upper layer on the right side, and as the edge piece wants to go this side, that means left side, I will up this layer and I will match this edge piece once again, and I will, as I up this layer, I will down this layer, and I told you earlier that I will take a move and white will face me, and now you can see the red, this pair, that means that this color wants to match here, so I will take a move this way and I will up this layer and I will back this one, so it is match, and I will down this one. So I have inserted 3 edge pieces, only 1 edge piece is remaining. So last one is here and the color is red. I will match red center with red edge piece. Now I will look for which side this edge piece wants to go. This edge piece wants to go this side, that means right side, so I'll take a left move of the upper layer and I will up this one and I will match this red color with this red color once again, and I will, as I up this one, I will back this one, I will get a pair, and I will take a move like this way. White is facing in front of me, so I can see this red wants to match with this red, so I'll move this layer this way, and I will up this layer, and as I will to match this color with this, so I will back this one, and I will down this one. Now you can see my second layer, first layer is ready, and also my second layer is completed. When you are going to arrange second layer, you will get a problem, or you will face a problem. What is that? You have already inserted this piece and this piece. One edge piece is stuck here. It is in its right place, but it is flipped. So in this case, you have to out this pair on the top layer. How? You have to insert this any yellow edge piece like previous, and automatically this piece will be come on the top. Okay, see, if I want to insert this piece this side, so I will take a move this way, I will up this one, I will back this one, I will match this one, I will take a move, and I will insert this piece here, and my piece will be come here. So I can match green with green, and this edge piece wants to go this side, so I will take a move this side, I will up this layer, I will back this layer, I will match this one, I will take a move and face white. Now green wants to match with green, so I will take a move this way, I will up this layer, I will back this one, I will down this one. So friends, in this way you have to arrange your second layer. If you feel that this video is useful or beneficial for you, then please like and write a comment, and if possible share this. My next video will be on how to solve third layer after completing first layer and second layer. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.